Hello and welcome back to Undertale. Oh man, this game. There's a camera hidden in the bushes. Anyone else think that his face looks a little goofy? Oh man, I can't help thinking it. Oh man. Oh, that's nightmarish. So the last video lasted just last video lasted just long enough that it was okay for time, in my opinion. So I'll probably let all the videos last about that long. Man. Ooh, human. Don't you know how to greet a new pal? Turn around and shake my hand. Oh my gosh. The old whoopee cushion in the hand trick. It's always funny. Anyways, you're a human, right? That's hilarious. I'm Sans the skeleton. I'm actually supposed to be on watch for humans right now, but, you know, I don't really care about capturing anybody. Now my brother, Papyrus, is a human hunting fanatic. Hey, actually, I think that's him over there. I have an idea. Go through this gate thingy. Yeah, go right through. The road man the bar is too wide to stop anyone. Quick, behind that conveniently shaped lamp. Perfect. Oh man. These guys are the best part of Undertale, in my opinion. What are you even doing? Just gotta get this lamp, it's really cool. You wanna look? Oh, I don't have time for that. Oh man. I don't know if I'm gonna talk over all. It takes a whole lot more talking than I'm used to. I'm already drinking tea and my voice is already a little bit But, you know, I want to keep the videos going. No breaks. No breaks for me. I mean, well, there's breaks in between when I play the game, but whatever. Oh, these guys are great. I'm sure you know, but Sans text is Comic Sans, and he makes fun, which I find hilarious because I love a really bad pun. But Papyrus is also Papyrus text, stuff, typing stuff. Yeah, all of it. This isn't a facts video, you know it. You know it. But yes, this game is super fun. Put a little more backbone into it. I get it. For those of you who have seen me, or it doesn't matter really. I'll talk to him. My brother and I actually are considering cosplaying these two at a. We're not sure what convention yet, but we're considering cosplaying these two because it was requested. But I have other cosplays in mind. These guys, it's gonna be done. So, hey, maybe you'll see us at one of these conventions. Oof. Okay. Here's the box. Tough glove. I don't remember what tough glove is. I don't know what that. Oh, that's right. You can't. So a thing that they did in this game, it's very, very interesting. You can't. There's only one place in this game where you can sell things. And so basically, keeping items in your inventory and have no idea what I'm supposed to do. No, it's not. What? I don't know what to do with this guy, actually. He's freaking out. Big bad, I prefer that one. What do I do? Sounds like a wet pillow. No, I don't want to laugh at him before he... Okay. So, this guy's all about telling jokes, I believe, but... I'm sorry, I don't know what to do! I'm wasting time in this video! Oh, I need to know. I gotta wait for him to tell a joke. Pardon me. You laugh at Snowdrake's pun. See, laughs. Dad was wrong. Oh, man. These guys do so much damage. Oh, here they go. Let's think about Undyne. Actually, I think that's a rock. Oh. It's in front of the rock. That was whispering. And I finally did it! Undyne I'll be so popular. Human, you shall not pass this area. I, the great Papyrus, will stop you. I will then capture you. You will be delivered to the capital. Then, I'm not sure what to do. In any case, continue only if you dare. Well, that was cool. Don't sweat it, kid. I'll keep it nice socket. It's funny. Oh, man. I'm in the middle of talking to someone who has done well, wait. I'm actually talking to someone who's played Undertale before right now, and I don't understand. Some of these are really hard. Like they don't really make sense right off the bat. Checking to see if you're looking at the hat. You continue not looking at Ice Cap's hat. It seems defeated. Better a hatter than a... Okay. Perfect. Oh, okay. That's all I had to do. Sheesh. Narration on the cardboard box. You observe the well-crafted sentry station. Who could have built this, you ponder? I bet it was that very famous royal guardsman. No, not yet a very famous royal guardsman. Oof. Absolutely no moving. Did something move? Was it my imagination? I can only see moving things. If something was moving, for example, a human, I'll make sure it never moves again. Ooh, sheesh. Doggo is too suspicious of you. Don't move an inch. You pet Doggo. What? I've been pet. Pet, pot, pat, pet, pot, pet. Doggo has been pet. Wow, that was super easy. Something pet me. Something that isn't moving. We need some dog treats for those. Someone's been smoking dog treats. Oh, man. Hey, here's something. My brother has a very special attack. If you see a blue attack, don't move and it won't hurt you. Here's an easy way to get it done. Imagine a stop sign. You see a stop sign, you stop, right? Stop signs are red, so I imagine a blue stop sign instead. Simple, right? When I think about blue stop signs. Okay. Weird. Hello, I am a snowman. I want to see the world, but I cannot move. If you would be so kind, traveler, please, take a piece of me and bring it very far away. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Good luck. Alright. Cool. You're so lazy. You were napping all night. I think that's called sleeping. Excuses, excuses. Man. I am not a good voice actor, so I'm not even going to try to do what their voices would sound like. Don't ask me to. I'm not good at that. But, I'll read the dialogue, just because, you know, otherwise I'm going to sit here and you guys are just going to read it. That's super interesting. I think you'll find this one quite shocking. For you see, this is the invisible electricity maze. When you touch the walls of this maze, this orb will administer a hearty zap. Sound like fun? Because the amount of fun you will probably have is actually rather small, I think. Okay, you can go ahead now. Oh. Huh. Man, what did you do? I think the human has to hold the orb. Oh, okay. Hold this, please. Okay, try now. Incredible, you slippery snail. You solved it so easily. Too easily. However, the next puzzle will not be easy. It is designed by my brother, Sans. He will surely be confounded. I know I am. Yeah. By the way, did you see that weird outfit he's wearing? I made that a few weeks ago for a costume party. He hasn't worn anything else since. He keeps calling it his battle body. Man, isn't my brother cool? I don't understand why these aren't selling. It's the perfect weather for something cold. Oh, a customer. Would you like some ice cream? It's the frozen treat that warms your heart. Yeah, why not? Give me more. Healing items are a little hard to come by in this game, which is nice. It makes the game even harder, but, you know, while you're playing, you're like, why you do this? Ooh. No, I gotta get it in the hole. No, don't shrink yet. Purple. Even when you felt trapped, you took notes and achieved the end of ball. You are awarded 2G. Looks like a snowball. Actually, it's a what? Snow? I have no idea what that is. Human, I hope you're ready for... Sans, where's the puzzle? It's right there. Trust me, there's no way they can get past this one. Monster Kids word search. Wow. Sans, I didn't do anything. Whoops, I knew I should have used today's crossword instead. What? Crossword? I can't believe you said that. In my opinion, Junior Jumble is easily the hardest. What? Really, dude? That easy peasy word screw? That's for baby bones. Unbelievable. Human, solve this dispute. Which is harder? Junior Jumble. Ha, yes. Humans must be very intelligent. They also find Junior Jumble so difficult. Yeah. Whew, man. Just time to spend on this. Got plenty of time. Knowing the mouse might one day find a way to heat up the spaghetti, it fills you with determination. It's a note from Papyrus. Human, please enjoy the spaghetti. Little do you know, this spaghetti is a trap, designed to entice you. You'll be so busy eating it that you won't realize you aren't progressing. Thoroughly japed again by the great Papyrus. Yeah, Papyrus. It's a plate of frozen spaghetti. It's so cold it's stuck to the table. It's an unplugged microwave. All of the settings say spaghetti. Oh, man. Warning, dog marriage. What? Lesser dog appears. Pet. You barely lifted your hand and lesser dog got excited. Man, man. Oh, man. Don't you do damage. Lesser dog is barking excitedly. Bam, bam. Oh, come on. That's not fair. Okay, I could go on forever. What you should know is that the dog's neck keeps stretching and it goes up, then down, and then it disappears. Wait, no, I want to keep doing it. Because there's something that you see later on. This is really weird playing with a controller. This does not seem like the type of game that you would play using a controller either. Pretty cool. Oh, here we go. Now he's not even attacking. Goodness gracious. Wow. I'm gonna do this as fast as I can. Maybe I'll even speed up this part of the video for you guys. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe I want you guys to have to sit through this just like I do. I mean, you could skip in the video. But is that the right thing to do? Pan, pan. Sheesh. Look at how fast its tail is wagging. That is insane. I don't actually remember how far it goes, but we're gonna find out. There he is. Goodness. It continues. Wow. Lesser dog is beyond reach. Really? 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 Let's try this a couple more times, and if it doesn't change, then we'll spare it. Okay. 60 gold. Sheesh. Huh. Alright. Uh-oh. Here comes the party. What's that smell? Where is that smell? If you're a smell, identify your smell. Oh my gosh. Here's that weird smell. It makes me want to eliminate. Eliminate you. Roll around in the dirt and snow. You smell like a weird puppy. Take my wife's fleas. Oh gosh. Are you actually a little puppy? You pet dog Amy. Wow. Pet by another puppy. Pet Doggeressa. Doggeressa? Yeah! Dogs can pet other dogs. A new world has opened up for us. Oh, wow. Good stuff. I don't fully understand. And more importantly, is there any left for me? I ate it, of course. No one's ever enjoyed my cooking before. Well then, fret not, human. I, Master Chef Papyrus, will make you all the pasta you can ever want. Oh, that's nice, man. Oh dear, this is gonna be hard. Were we not human, I, the great Papyrus, will solve this conundrum. Then we can both proceed. Meanwhile, feel free to try the puzzle for yourself. Try not to give away the answer. Ah! Ah, I got it. Yeah. Wow, you solved it, and you did it without my help. Incredible. I'm impressed. You must care about puzzles like I do. I'm sure you'll love the next puzzle. Ugh. Okay. Sheesh. Oh, my poor throat. Good job on solving it so quickly. You didn't even need my help, which is great because I love doing absolutely nothing. Oh man. Hey, it's the human. You're gonna love the puzzle. It was made by the great Dr. Alphys. See these tiles? Once I throw the switch, they will begin to change color. Each color has a different function. The red tiles are passable. You cannot walk on them. Yellow tiles are electric. They will electrocute you. Green tiles are alarm tiles. If you step on them, you will have to find a monster. Orange tiles are orange scented. They will make you smell delicious. Blue tiles are water tiles. Swim through if you like, but if you smell like oranges, the piranhas will bite you. Also, if a blue tile is next to a yellow tile, the water will also zap you. Purple tiles are slippery. You will slide to the next tile. However, the slippery soap smells like lemons, which piranhas do not like. Purple and blue are okay. My only pink tiles, they don't do anything. Step on them all you like. How's that, you understand? Of course. Great. There's one last thing. This puzzle is entirely random. When I pull the switch, it will make a puzzle that has never been seen before. Even I will know the solution. Yeah, get ready. Well, here we go. That is funny. Machine isn't working. Actually, that spaghetti from earlier, it wasn't too bad for him earlier since he started cooking lessons. He's been working a lot. I bet if he keeps it up, next year he'll even make something edible. Well, that's rude. I thought that spaghetti was delicious. So, the, oh, wow. So, the, petting the dog and making his neck grow, like, makes this happen, and this doesn't usually happen. If you don't pet him at all, there's nothing here, and it's funny how simple that is. Oh, man. I hate puzzles like these. No, that's not what I wanted. Gosh. Well, let's see if this works. No! No! Man. Goodness gracious. Alright, let's try this again. Oh no! Oh my gosh, it makes me so mad. I'm bad at this. Ugh, man. No! Ugh, it's actually really hard if you're playing on controller. This is weird. Normally this is like super easy. Oh no. No, no. No! Dang it. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Never tried to speed through these. Even if you think you know what you're doing. Sweet merciful goodness. All I want is to progress. Just a little bit. Well, it looks like the solution's not that hard. Man. Why? How does that make sense? How am I touching that if I'm still sliding? Man. This is maddening. No! Oh my gosh, I'm pressing the right thing. I don't know what I was doing there, but that was wrong. It's fun stuff. It's great stuff. Fantastic. I'm glad that I'm spending my time on doing this. Okay. Why? Why is this so hard? Ridiculous. Stop sliding. Why do you keep sliding off? It makes no sense. Let me do it the way I originally was doing it. See if that works. No. No. I can't slide to that stupid switch on that button. No. No. No! Oh, sweet mercy. This is super entertaining. I'm sure eventually he'll get it. I'm sure it's just the puzzle. The puzzle's not hard at all. It's just that I'm doing it wrong or something, but this feels like it's the right way. Oh no. Oh no. No. It cannot have been that easy. No, no, I refuse. I refuse to believe that it was always that easy. Oh. Oh no. No, no, that can't be. That's impossible. What's up? Oh, Sans, what's up? Say, are you following me? Gifttron confronts you. Undertale. You remove the barbed wire. Sheesh. That's a little better. What's up? Remove a childhood photograph of Snow Dragon parent. That's a little better. Weird. Box of non-dog related raisins. Oh wait, it has been lifted. 20 gold. Sheesh, that's a lot of gold. It's a door. Nothing special here. Ugh, sheesh. I'm so mad at myself for not knowing how easy that puzzle was. Why did it seem so more difficult than it was? And this is a snow puff. This, however, is a snow puff. Surprisingly, it's a snow puff. Snow puff. Is it really a snow puff? Behold, a snow puff. Eh? Just 30G inside this. What is this? It's a snow puff. Huh. Goodness. It's the greater dog. You call the greater dog. It bounds toward you, flecking slobber into your face. Dang it! Oh man, I'm gonna die. Sheesh. Give me some ice cream. Bark, bark. Bark, bark. Greater dog curls up in your lap as it is pet by you. It gets so comfortable, it falls asleep. Then it wakes up. It's so excited. Greater dog is patting the ground with its front paws. Play. You make a snowball and throw it for the dog to fetch. It splats on the ground. Greater dog picks up all the snow in the area and brings it to you. Now dog is very tired. It rests its head on you. Greater dog wants some TLC. As you pet the dog, it sinks its entire weight into you. Your movement's slow. But you still haven't pet enough. Oh gosh. No! Don't kill me! Pet capacity is 40%. The butterscotch pie says butts pie. Oh man. Oh man. So funny. Is this as sweet as you? Oh wow. Ice cream's putting the moves on me. You pet decisively. Pet capacity reaches 100%. The dog flops over with its legs hanging in the air. Oh, if you don't move, it doesn't wake up. Wow. Spare. Now that is adorable. I want a greater dog. Oh dear. Time already, huh? Okay, well we're almost to another save point, I think. So we'll end the episode when we get there. Human, this is your final and most dangerous challenge. Behold, the Gauntlet of Deadly Terror. Oh. Why is there a dog attached to the string? When I say the word, it will fully activate. Cannons will fire, spikes will swing, blades will slice. Each part will swing violently up and down. Only the tiniest chance of victory will remain. Are you ready? Because I am about to do it! Well, what's the holdup? Hold up. What hold up? I'm about to activate it now. That doesn't look very activated. Well, this challenge, it seems maybe too easy to defeat the human one. Yeah, we can't use this one. I'm a skeleton with standards. My puzzles are very fair. And my traps are expertly cooked. But this method is too direct. No class at all. Away it goes. Yeah, thanks, man. Phew. What are you looking at? This was another decisive victory for Papyrus. Yeah. 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 I don't know what my brother's going to do now. If I were you, I would make sure I understand blue attacks. Welcome to Snowden! Alright. Well, we are... Wow, 74 minutes. That's a long time. So we reached a good stopping point right here. Oh, man. Yeah, man. Just the game with all these different fighting, all the weird, like, everything's special. Everything is different, which is great. I love that about this game. And man, all the choices that there are many choices that I could have made already that would have changed the way this game played completely. And that's insane. But anyways, we're going this route, so don't worry about it. We're gonna keep going this way, and I'll make decisions later on. But thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a like, and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about it, and if you like the game, let me know. And if you really liked it, you can hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. See some of my other stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching, and